Ho, ho, ho. What's going on, everyone? Nathan here. Merry Christmas to you and your family. I haven't anything planned here today. I just wanted to wish you and your family Merry Christmas. Now, it has been a really fun and interesting year, especially here on YouTube. Thank you very much to all of you who has been here, supported me with your likes, with your comments there. As I said, I started 13 months back again. I took up on this journey to get started with YouTube. Has been a really fun and interesting journey. I just want to say a few words. I'm not going to drag this out, but I know that some of you are disappointed, don't make any money online. What you need to keep in mind is that Rome wasn't built in a day, okay? So you can't just go in one day and say, I want to do this, and you're going to be a millionaire the next day. It doesn't work like that. Never ever give up, keep that in mind. I can't really mention how many times I've failed in the past, how much money I lost also in the past. It is well over a couple of thousands of dollars, trust me. But I was positive, I was moving on, I was moving forward, moved on. I learned from my mistakes, and that is how I succeed, of course, later on. I've been an online entrepreneur, both on and offline actually, for almost 2 decades now. I survived, so I do know a few things actually. And I really hope that you are succeeding with whatever you're going to do. It is about one and only one thing. It starts here with this one thing, and it is here. It is the mindset, okay? You do need to work on your mindset. I'm not going to drag this out, as I said today here, but within the coming days I'm going to share with you a video about habits, mindset and stuff like that. I love to do that kind of videos to share and help you out, of course, so make sure you pay attention to that video as well there. But today I want you to sit back, relax, be with your family a little bit, think about how this year has been for you, good and bad, what you need to do, get started, to plan a little bit, and of course I really looking forward to see you crushing it in 2020. I'm going to be there, of course. I'm going to move on. 2020 is going to be a super exciting year actually for all of us. So with that being said, think positive. Once again, Merry Christmas to you and your family, and I'm looking forward to see you in tomorrow's video.